Enhance both the style and functionality of your Can-Am Spyder key with this innovative decorative key cover, designed to fit all models of the Spyder. The unique two-piece construction snaps securely over your key, instantly adding a convenient mounting hole for a key ring or keychain. From the moment it is installed, it provides a practical solution for keeping your key accessible while maintaining a sleek, stylish appearance that complements the Spyder's design. This cover is thoughtfully engineered to accommodate the embedded chip in your Spyder key, ensuring that security and functionality remain uncompromised. Included in the kit is a wire barrel lock key ring, allowing you to attach additional keys or accessories easily. Its simple yet elegant design makes it a subtle but effective upgrade, blending seamlessly with the key while offering the added convenience of portability and organization. Installation is quick and hassle-free, requiring no special tools or modifications. The two-piece design simply snaps into place, providing a secure fit that won't slip or interfere with normal use. This makes it an ideal accessory for daily riders, enthusiasts, or anyone looking to safeguard their Can-Am Spyder key without sacrificing aesthetics. Users have praised this key cover for its practicality and style, noting that it prevents the key from getting lost while allowing the addition of key rings or chains. Durable and designed to last, it maintains its shape and functionality through everyday use, making it a reliable accessory for any Spyder owner. Sold individually with the barrel lock, it offers a perfect combination of convenience, security, and visual appeal. If you want to upgrade your Can-Am Spyder key with a practical, stylish, and easy-to-use accessory, this decorative key cover with barrel lock keyring is an essential choice. Click the link in the video description to check current pricing and availability, and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality Spyder accessories and innovative upgrades.